Welcome to K7Tracks.com. We are so excited you've found us and want to be a part of Worldwide Professionals. You're going to be a valuable asset to our company, and we can't wait to see all that you accomplish. The entire team of K7 Tracks is thrilled to welcome you on board. We hope you'll do some amazing work here. Again, it is an honor to have such a hardworking teacher like you to join us. At K7 Tracks, you get to teach the way you want, even create courses in multiple languages, and inspire more students. You decide a price for each course you post. There is no download or sharing on our platform, only pay-per-view. That means more revenue to you. All the classes are available 24 hours, 7 days a week, year-round and worldwide. We use PayPal for payments, and our model is 90% payable to you and 10% payable to the platform. Please check our K7 Tracks blogs for more information and step-by-step process to get the best video and audio, producing a very good-looking masterclass. Please read the information about image and video formats that meet our guidelines. Record your computer screen as an expert. We have provided some links that you can try. These are free screen capture software that you can use to help produce masterclasses. And come back often to check our blogs. We are always uploading cool stuff and posting the latest music industry news and analysis, including the latest in tech, legal, and much more. If you want to stay on top of what's happening, this is the place to check. If you need any help, just let us know. Please feel free to contact us. We are here to help you. K7Tracks.com